y'all, it's Abby, and as you see in the title, I'm going to have a shop update. I thought I would show you all what I'm gonna have in stock, and it's kind of a charm update as well. You can see what I've been working on lately. So of course, since this is the end of September, it's going to be a Spoopy Halloween update, and here are the first 3 charms that I have. They are these cute little witch charms, and I have it in 3 colors. They all come with a little bead, and I adore them. I started with this one. I had like Wicked vibes in my head, and then I thought, you know, why not go all pastel? And this is kind of like a little space, maybe alien witch, I don't know. What do we think? Anyway, those are the first 3 charms. Next, I have some kind of random charms. I had more of these Sakuras and more in this bubble style, but I did not have enough lobster clasps, the chains, in the right colors. So those will be in my next update. But I do have a few here, and I am absolutely in love with this little wand. I love how it turned out. And then a little cotton candy, and then a Sakura. And I have a bunch more of these, and they look really good, so I hope you look forward to my next update as well. The next 3 are space themed, and I love how each and every one of these turned out. I especially love this one. I think the little rocket's adorable. This one has a bead. These 2 have, this one doesn't have anything. This one does, has a little dangly star and beads. So I will actually have more of these in my next update too, because like I said, I didn't have the right gold findings, but these made the cut for this time. Next, I have a whole bunch of pumpkin charms. I love these so much. The colors were very fun to play around with, and they're all kind of gradients. Turned out quite nice, I think. They have the little star bead on them and little decals. Here, I'll try to give you a little closer look. These are definitely some of the highlights of this update. And this little guy. Next, I have 2 little witches hats, and they have very spoopy vibes as well. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. You can see the decals. This one is just a little cute polka dot. It gives me 10th anniversary Disney Sea mini Be Magical vibes. I have those. Next, I have these little moons. Let's zoom up. Enhance. And these are gradients as well. I love all the little Halloween gradient ones that I made. They turned out very good. And they have the little star beads as well. They look so good as a set, like all together. Finally, my absolute favorite pieces from this update, my little Halloween wand. Whoops. Now these have the straps on them already, and I have to add them to the other 2, but I have a little pastel kind of pop look, and then I have a more kind of me style, I guess, I don't know. They turned out really great. I love these bezels. And then I do have straps for these, but I need to find them and add them on. But I think this one is my absolute favorite out of all the charms. My update, I just really like how it turned out. So this will have the same sort of strap on it. And yeah, that's everything. Here is the full lineup of items that will be on my shop tonight. It'll be on Etsy. The link is in my description box. It is going to be at 10 p.m. Japan time. I thought that would be a good time. It'd be morning in North America, I guess, that side of the world, and then in Asia, of course, it's evening, and then in Europe and the UK, it would be afternoon. So I tried to pick a time that everyone could hop on if they wanted to, and I will be live streaming tonight. I'll probably start about an hour before the shop goes live, and you all can keep me company, and we can just have a fun time, because I'm really excited that I'm finally reopening my shop, and it's a big step for me. So I hope to see you there, and if you're interested in shop stuff, Twitch subs and YouTube members will get a 20% off coupon. It'll be on my Discord, or I guess I'll post it on the YouTube members page as well, but it will be quite a big discount. This will be the first time, shop opening discount. Next time I will have coupons for members, but it probably won't be as big of a number. So this is your chance to get something for quite a nice price, I believe. But anyway, I hope to see you tonight at my live stream and maybe at my shop. And I will talk to you all later. Bye!